Hey team, in this video, we're going to answer a simple but foundational question. What exactly is a V7 Go agent? And we'll walk through a real world example that brings this to life. A Go agent is essentially an AI-powered workflow that helps you extract, structure, and reason over unstructured content at scale. Think of it as an AI teammate that can read, understand, and act on documents or file inputs in the same way that a human analyst would, but faster and across thousands of files at scale. Agents are built using properties, prompts, tools like LLMs and Python, and different kinds of logic built into this tabular structure. You can trigger them with file uploads, user prompts, connected workflows, or even via API or webhook, and have them output structured results, summaries, classifications, or even recommendations, all grounded natively inside of the output for easy auditability and tracking. So let's see how this works in practice. We're looking at a private placement memorandum, which is essentially a fancy way of saying a real estate investment opportunity. This looks at a 60+ page legal and financial document that is shared by real estate investment sponsors and extracts a whole host of critical details. Things like the fund name, structure, and manager, the target capital raise and minimum investment, the investment strategy and the exit plan, risk categories, tax considerations, and more. We're even pulling things like an executive summary, a subscription process, and a suitability level, all into a structured and comparable format. This kind of task that would typically take a financial or a real estate analyst someplace in the range of an hour to 5 hours to get done now is handled essentially in 2 minutes or less using AI workflows powered by agents. You'll see here the final product, an executive summary that encompasses all the information from the previous outputs that we've determined come from this document. So that's what a Go agent is. It's essentially not just a form of AI, but a way to build reliable, repeatable business logic on top of unstructured content at scale. In the next video, we're going to walk through how to start with the end in mind and why defining your output is the key to building any great agent in the future.